Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm doing a comparison between Leonardo AI and krea.ai. Leonardo AI offers deep control and custom model training for professional workflows, excelling in fine-tuning, while krea.ai focuses on speed, simplicity, and real-time iteration, making it great for quick brainstorming with features like AI video generation and upscaling. Choose Crea for fast, playful creation and seamless upscaling of video, and Leonardo for detailed control, custom models, and production-ready finishing. Often the best approach is to use both for different stages of a project. Let's look at them closely. Leonardo AI is best for artists and professionals needing fine control, custom models, and detailed refinement. Its strength lies in in-depth customization, training models on your own data, production-focused tools, and detailed tutorials. And it focuses on precision and meticulous adjustments. While, while Cree.ai is best for quick ideation, real-time feedback, and users wanting simplicity and speed. When it comes to its strength, krea.ai is really fast when it comes to processing because it uses the flux model, and also has real-time generation, upscaling, and AI video capabilities. Also has a vibrant community. The focus is on spontaneity and ease of use. Now let's look at their key differences. When it comes to workflow, Cree is best for rapid iteration, while Leonardo is best for detailed production. When it comes to control, Leonardo offers deep settings, while Cree prioritizes speed over complexity. When it comes to their features, Cree includes AI video, while Leonardo shines in custom model training. How do you choose? Well, for brainstorming and quick concepts, simply use Cree.ai for its speed and real-time features. And if you're looking for polished specific results, then use Leonardo AI for its advanced control and production tools. For a complete workflow, just use both, as Cree is best for early ideas and upscaling, and Leonardo for final touches or complex training. Hope you found this video helpful.